Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, the Regina Daniels story seems to be one that is going to run and run. So I bring you the latest installment. So in this instance, Regina Daniels is meeting her husband's children. So she's meeting her effectively stepchildren is what is going on here. So Regina Daniels meeting her stepchildren is the storyline of this particular video. So Regina Daniels pictured with her husband Ned Nwoko and his beautiful children. That's the headline. A few days ago, Nollywood actress Regina Daniels was spotted with her husband Ned Nwoko, who received an honorary doctorate award from the Federal University of Petroleum Resources, Efuron. Fufre, that's the name of the university, Delta State, Nigeria. New photos from the after party shows Regina Daniels celebrating with some children of Ned Nwoko, who are suspected to be from the Morocco wife of the billionaire lawmaker. So he has a wife from Morocco. So as you know, the guy already had 5 wives prior to marrying Regina Daniels, making her the 6th wife. So now these are the children, of course, from that Morocco experience. You can see that because if you look at the nose of some of the children, they're definitely not black nose. They are not black people nose. They are pointed nose, like an Arab's nose or an European's nose. So clearly a child of a mixed race background, and you can tell from their skin texture as well and their hair that they're definitely not of a Nigerian mother. So there you have it. That is his children from the Morocco experience, or from the Morocco wife meeting their new stepmom and trying to bond with her. And she certainly seems to be taking to them as well, because it's hugs all round. And Ned Nwoko is starting to have the beginnings of a smile. Is a man who never smiles. He thinks wearing a stern face means that he's showing himself to be a serious man, but then marrying an 18-year-old girl will tell you to the contrary. So there we have it, the latest installment in the Ned Nwoko Regina Daniels storyline. I'm not going to call it a saga, I'm going to call it a storyline. So the latest installment in the Ned Nwoko Regina Daniels storyline. So now she meets the children as she starts to integrate herself into the family and find her space. So what says you? The 59-year-old and the 18-year-old, but the marriage certainly seems to be blossoming. At least it smiles all round, and everybody looked happy from my view. I'm only looking at the picture to draw that conclusion. But what conclusions are you drawing? Conversations in the comment section as this storyline carries on. But before you come join me to have that conversation in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on that bell button as well, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let's see how we progress this conversation, and let's see what we're making of it. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.